What happens when you eat oats every day after 50? After the age of 50, many adults begin paying closer attention to their health. Energy levels may not be what they once were. Cholesterol numbers may start creeping upward. Blood sugar becomes a bigger concern. Digestive issues may become more common. At the same time, maintaining a healthy weight often becomes more challenging. While there is no single food that can solve every health problem, some foods provide a remarkable combination of nutrients that support healthy aging. One of the most respected foods in nutrition science is oats. For centuries, oats have been enjoyed as a simple breakfast food. Today, they are recognized as one of the healthiest whole grains available. Rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds, oats may help support heart health, digestion, blood sugar balance, and overall wellness. But what actually happens when you start eating oats every day after 50? Let's take a closer look. Your heart may thank you. One of the most studied benefits of oats is their ability to support heart health. Oats contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. When mixed with water in the digestive system, beta-glucan forms a gel-like substance that may help reduce the absorption of cholesterol. Healthy cholesterol levels are important because excess LDL cholesterol may contribute to plaque buildup inside arteries over time. By supporting healthier cholesterol levels, oats may help support cardiovascular wellness and healthy circulation. This is one reason many heart health organizations recommend oats as part of a healthy diet. For adults over 50, protecting the heart becomes increasingly important, making oats a simple addition that may offer long-term benefits. Your digestion may become more regular. Many adults experience digestive changes as they age. Constipation, bloating, and irregular bowel movements become more common, often due to lower fiber intake and reduced physical activity. Oats are naturally rich in dietary fiber, which helps add bulk to stool and supports regular bowel movements. The fiber in oats also feeds beneficial gut bacteria. These friendly bacteria play an important role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. A healthier gut environment may contribute to improved overall well-being. Many people notice that when oats become a daily habit, digestion feels smoother and more predictable. Blood sugar may become easier to manage. Blood sugar control becomes increasingly important after 50. The beta-glucan fiber found in oats may help slow digestion and the absorption of carbohydrates. This slower process may help reduce sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals. Steadier blood sugar levels may help support consistent energy throughout the day and reduce the highs and lows that leave many people feeling tired or hungry shortly after eating. This is one reason oats are often recommended as part of a balanced breakfast. Starting the day with oats may help create a more stable foundation for energy and appetite control. You may feel fuller for longer. One challenge many adults face after 50 is maintaining a healthy weight. As metabolism naturally slows with age, weight gain may occur more easily than before. The combination of fiber and complex carbohydrates in oats helps promote satiety, meaning you feel full and satisfied for longer periods. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks between meals, many people find that a bowl of oats helps keep hunger under control. This may make it easier to manage calorie intake while still feeling satisfied. Healthy weight management often comes down to small habits repeated consistently, and oats may be one of those helpful habits. Your body receives important nutrients. Oats provide more than just fiber. They also contain important nutrients such as manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, and several B vitamins. These nutrients support many functions throughout the body, including energy production, bone health, muscle function, and nervous system support. While oats are not a complete nutritional solution, they provide a valuable package of nutrients that can contribute to healthy aging. Inflammation may be better controlled. Chronic low-grade inflammation is often associated with aging and may contribute to various health concerns. Oats contain antioxidants known as avenanthramides, unique compounds found almost exclusively in oats. These antioxidants may help protect cells from oxidative stress and support healthy blood vessel function. While oats are not an anti-inflammatory medicine, including antioxidant-rich foods as part of a healthy diet may help support the body's natural defenses against oxidative damage. Your energy may feel more stable. Many breakfast foods provide a quick burst of energy followed by a crash. Sugary cereals, pastries, and refined grains often digest rapidly, causing blood sugar fluctuations that can leave people feeling tired later. Oats digest more slowly, providing a gradual release of energy. Many adults find they stay energized and focus longer after eating oatmeal compared to highly processed breakfast foods. This steady energy can make a noticeable difference throughout the day. Simple ways to eat oats daily. One reason oats remains so popular is their versatility. Traditional oatmeal remains a favorite choice. Some people enjoy overnight oats prepared the night before. Others add oats to smoothies, yogurt, homemade energy bites, or healthy baked goods. For extra nutrition, oats can be combined with chia seeds, walnuts, berries, cinnamon, or Greek yogurt. The goal is not perfection but consistency. Even one serving a day may help contribute to a healthier eating pattern. A simple oatmeal recipe. To prepare a basic bowl of oatmeal, add half a cup of rolled oats to 1 cup of water or milk. Cook until soft and creamy. For additional flavor and nutrition, top with fresh berries, sliced banana, walnuts, cinnamon, or chia seeds. This simple breakfast takes only a few minutes to prepare and provides a satisfying start to the day. Important reminder. Although oats offer many nutritional benefits, they are not a cure for disease and should not replace medical treatment. People with specific medical conditions or dietary restrictions should follow the advice of their healthcare providers. The greatest benefits usually occur when oats are combined with other healthy habits, such as regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and a balanced diet. What happens when you eat oats every day after 50? You may support healthier cholesterol levels. Your digestion may become more regular. Blood sugar may become easier to manage. Hunger may stay under control longer. Your body receives important nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber that contribute to overall wellness. Healthy aging rarely depends on one miracle food. Instead, it is often the result of small, smart choices repeated every day. And for many adults over 50, one of those choices may be as simple as enjoying a bowl of oats each morning.